Good morning, my dear students. I'm SK Tiwary with you from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. On my previous speech, I taught you about resources and its types and development. What are the main types of resources? I taught you yesterday. But today I want to throw light over land, water, soil and air resources. And one by one I want to make my explanation. At first I want to make my explanation over land resource. Land is considered as a great natural resource. You know this, I know this, everyone knows this, that land is a great natural resource because nature has gifted us land. Man had not made land because, and now another reason, we perform our all essential activities on land. I mean, we perform our all economic and non-economic activities on land. In this sense, land is also a great resource for us. Second point, I want to tell you, we dwell on the land. It is the reality, it is the fact. We dwell there on the land, we do our different types of economic and non-economic activities on the land, and we construct our houses on the land, and we perform our economic, cultural, industrial, educational, all the activities on the land. I mean, without the land, our existence cannot be imagined. And next point, I want to put before you that jungles or forests and all natural vegetations are found on land, which are very essential for the human beings. And after that, water, minerals, mountain, plateaus, plains, all are located on land or earth. So we may say this, that land plays vital role in our life. Without land, we cannot imagine the existence of the creatures. And now I'm going to explain you, I'm going to tell you about the classification of land. Land has been classified into two groups on the basis of ownership. I mean, there are two types of land on the basis of ownership. The first type is known as private land, and the second type is known as community land. And now I want to make my explanation about these two types of land, about these two types of lands. At first I want to make my explanation about private land. What is the meaning of private land? It is quite clear with its name. When a piece of land is owned or utilized by a person privately, is called private land, as agricultural field on which farming activities are performed privately, and ponds, etc. These are the examples of private land. And now I am moving towards the community land. What is the meaning of community land? That land is called community land, which is owned by all members of the community, and that land is utilized by all the members of the community. Such land is called or known as community land. As for example, I am quoting here the common park, where the people of community go and enjoy the park, and next pasture land, etc. And today this is the end point of this topic, and next day I shall make my further explanation. So wait for the next day, my dear students. Bye. Goodbye.